What's going on, everyone? This is Stephen Place, the lead analyst over at Insider Reports, and today we're coming at you with another stock that is showing the double dip strategy that we've been talking about for the past few weeks. The double dip strategy is basically when we see a conviction buy from an insider or several insiders at the same time, and then a couple months go by and we see another buy, often from the same insiders, sometimes at better prices, sometimes around the same prices, that show that they are increasing their overall conviction. And this can lead to very strong moves because they're just really good at timing their own stocks. So let's take a look at one that we've got in our portfolio right now. This is a bank stock. We've talked about this on the channel already. Basically what we saw was a cluster buy, so multiple insiders purchasing at the same time, a cluster buy for about $500,000. And then the stock went up about 25%. The stock went sideways as bond yields started to flatten out, and we started to see reversion in the bond market. And during that time, we actually saw, let me get my pen here really quick. We saw a pretty decent sell-off, and it was almost a round trip back to their original entry point. All right. What happened here? This is the trade date, and then they added another 250K. From right there, all right, the stock didn't go lower. They saw no adverse price movement at all, and it went up 20% over the course of maybe 5 trading days. Now it's just flagging out. It's probably going to continue to roll higher. Okay, so those are the kinds of setups that we can look at. And what that means is even if you didn't find the exact timing for these insider buys initially, oftentimes you're going to get reattempts, and you're going to get other possible profit potential opportunities. All right, I know that was a mouthful. So this is another one, and we've played this before. We played this stock right around here when we saw this massive buy. You have 2 whales in this stock. One of them picked up $3.8 million in this stock. The second whale picked up $12.6 million. All right. So, into that, it saw a really nice move. We caught some profits on the stock and calls, and then we closed it out at break even for the rest as it pulled back. And then what happened, right? We see this breakdown right here, and then the second whale comes back in with a $21 million buy. That's size. That's conviction right there. Someone is willing to throw in $20 million in this stock because they think it is drastically undervalued and due for significant upside. Now, we've got this one in our portfolio now, and what we actually saw, because I'm doing research on this video to make sure I've got all the accurate information for you right now, and what I found was that just a couple days ago, the same whale threw in another $2.7 million into this move. That's conviction. Right? I keep beating a dead horse here. Together, these 2 whales own 6.2 million shares of this stock, and that's over 10% of the float in this stock right now. So if their conviction buys hold, and they probably won't sell over the next 6 months, as is required by the SEC, that means the total amount of shares available for traders is a lot less. And right now, about 13%, 15% of the shares are shorted already. So that means if these folks don't sell, that's 10% of the float, then you've got another 15% or so of the float short. That provides a structural catalyst for this stock, meaning there's not going to be a lot of shares available to buy right now. So that's what we're looking at right here. This is a double dip, and I guess we can call it a triple dip with this one more ad right here. Serious size conviction buy. If you would like to see the stocks in our portfolio, the research we've done, the price levels that we've picked these stocks out at, the profit enhancing option trades that we've put on, we've put together a free class for you to go through our 3 best setups with insider trading, why we can do it, how it's legal, and how we get our edge. Go watch that training. After that training, and once you understand how this works, you can then sign up for the service. Once you get into the service, then you can see our entire portfolio, all of our research, and our stock picks as well. That's all I got for today. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you later. Take care.